Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to install Java on a Mac and we will try running some code. So let's begin. First of all, let's check if we have any version of Java installed on a Mac or not. To check, we need to open terminal. You can use this magnifying icon that is for Spotlight, or you can just press command space to open up Spotlight and write terminal and hit enter. Now just write this command java dash version to see if we have any version of Java installed. Now hit enter to see if we have any version installed or not. We don't have any version of Java installed on our Mac, so let's get one. First of all, let's quit this terminal by pressing command Q. Now to install one, we need to open up any browser. In my case, I am using Chrome, so let's open up Chrome. Now paste the link provided in the description and hit enter. And this page will pop up. As of now, JDK 17 is the latest version. As we can see, it is supported till September 2024, and as of now it is September 2023, and JDK 20 is the latest version and it is supported till September 2023 only, and it will be replaced by JDK 21. So we will download JDK 17 because this is the long-term support version, that is the LTS version, and that is considered to be the stable version, so we will download this one. So under JDK 17 tab we will go on macOS tab, and now we have two choices: ARM64 architecture based and x64 architecture based packages. So we will download DMG installers. So which one to choose from? So ARM64 is for Macs using Apple Silicon based processor like M1 and M2 for now, and x64 architecture is for Macs running on Intel based processor. So we will download x64 because mine is Intel based. So let's click on this to download and click on save. You can set your download location. To check on which architecture you are on, just click on this Apple icon and click on about this Mac, and under the processor section you can see on what architecture your Mac is running on if you didn't know. So mine is Intel based, as we can see. So let's close this window. So this is the only different step you need to follow according to your Mac. So once the downloading is finished, click on this file to unzip it. Now double click on this package to start the installation. Now let's click on continue to start the procedure, and make sure you have 311 MB of space on your computer so that we can install this Java program successfully. Now click on install. Now you will require to have the admin privileges to install Java. Provide the password, or you can use the Touch ID if you have allowed to install the software via Touch ID. So let's provide the password. Let's click on install. It will take some time, so let's wait. Now once we have successfully installed Java, let's click on close. Now we don't need this file anymore, so click on move to bin. Now let's close this browser. To check if we have successfully installed Java, let's open up terminal by pressing command space, open Spotlight and then write terminal. Now again write the same command, java -- version, and hit enter. As we can see, we have successfully installed the Java 17, that is the latest version we have downloaded. Now we have successfully installed Java on the Mac, but to use it on different IDEs, we have to follow some more steps. So follow along to avoid any errors. So step 1, we need to create a new file by typing this command. Now hit enter. Now we need to open that file which we have created. So write this command to open that file in the Vim Editor. Now hit I button on your keyboard to insert in this Vim Editor. Let's press I. Now we are in the insert mode and paste this line of code from the description box provided. Now to save and exit this code, press escape button and then :WQ and hit enter. Now we have successfully saved and exited from that file. Now we need to source this file. To source this file, you can just close this terminal and then again start the terminal, or you can just write CORCE and then this line of code, and now hit enter. We have successfully sourced this file. Now final step. Now hit enter, so we can get the path to that Java home variable, $Java home variable. So what we have written in this line of code inside this Vim is the general path version of that file. So if we update the file like to JDK 21, I guess, which will be the next update, so it will automatically bring here JDK 21 if you will update your JDK to JDK 21, as we are not hard coding that. So now we have successfully installed Java on our Mac. Now let's create, compile and run a file. Now let's create, compile and run a file to check if Java is successfully installed or not. As we can see, we have successfully installed Java, as we have compiled the file successfully, and then we have run the file and we get the desired output, that is hello world. So we have successfully installed Java on our Mac, and I hope you did it too. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, peace out.